Do you know this flag? It's the flag of Kiribati. The flag features a red background with a yellow frigate bird flying over a rising sun, which has 17 rays representing the 16 Gilbert Islands and Banaba. Below the bird and sun are 3 blue and white wavy lines symbolizing the Pacific Ocean. The frigate bird represents freedom, authority, and command of the sea, while the rising sun signifies a new beginning and the golden future of the nation. The red background symbolizes the land and the blood of the people. Kiribati is a remote island nation in the central Pacific Ocean, consisting of 33 atolls and reef islands spread across 3.5 million square kilometers of ocean. The country's geography is characterized by low-lying coral atolls, making it particularly vulnerable to climate change and sea level rise. Kiribati has a rich Micronesian culture with strong traditions in fishing, dancing, and navigation. The capital, Tarawa Atoll, is a significant historical site from World War II's Pacific Theater, while Christmas Island, Kiritimati, is the world's largest coral atoll and a major destination for fishing and birdwatching. The country faces unique challenges due to its dispersed geography and environmental threats, yet maintains a resilient culture adapted to life on remote atolls. Subscribe for more.